I need to start the day, kitty.
Hey, Buster, why don't you find a ball and then I can throw a ball for you?
Whip.
Oh. All right, hi, welcome to Definitely Not a Cult Ranch. It's just me here today. John's in Albuquerque helping a neighbor with car stuff. Okay, so it's just me and the puppies here to do some gardening stuff today. I'm gonna get our prickly pear pads planted. I've got some more seeds I need to get started, and I want to work on our garden bed. And this one over here, we may try out this drip irrigation line this year. Who knows? So we don't have a fence yet. But in the meantime, we do have a Buster who will throw a fit if he sees any cows. And he can guard our plants from this window or this window.
Cactuses are so cool because you can just chop off their heads and stick them in the dirt and they just grow new roots. I just think they're neat.
Is that buried enough, you think? I hope it's buried enough. Well, I'm just gonna pick out a spot. That seems good to me for now. We will see if these cactuses take root. Fingers crossed, guys. Fingers crossed. Our poor Choya just keeps getting attacked by these tumbleweeds. Get out. Oh no. Well, this is a free cactus nubbin. All of our beautiful cactuses are always being smothered by these tumbleweeds. I think I've got to have a tumbleweed fire today because I'm sick of this stuff. Boo! Now, to be perfectly honest, I'm not super excited about starting the garden this year. I wanted to put that off till next year. I wanted to get more like buildings done this year and like have the garden started for next spring. But the garden I think is important this year because food is so expensive. Like we spend more money on food than we do on our mortgage for this land. So that's kind of where we're at. Like there's something's got to give. Hopefully we can grow some food that will help offset that cost. I don't know. Alright, we got our ristras were absolutely destroyed by the wind, but now I don't feel bad about cracking these bad boys open and getting the seeds out, so. Well, if we get a ball, then I can throw the ball. Wouldn't that be nice for the puppies? Oh, good boy. So I'm gathering rocks to make a raised garden bed. I know those are usually made out of wood, but look around. We don't have a lot of trees, but we do have so many rocks. Oh, this one must be real deep. Oh, bend this shovel before I get this rock out. Might as well put these rocks to good use. This is kind of fun. It's like a puzzle. Which rocks fit where to build the best little wall? It's not very fun for my back though. Look at my form. Lift with your knees, not with your back, girl. God dang. Hey, baby girl. Would you like to come outside? No? You won't come outside and hang out with me and Buster? You just want to sit here and be sad? And we've reached the point of the day where Duchess has realized that John is gone, and she is inconsolable until he returns. she'll be curled up here until that truck comes down that road. When you build DIY things, there's like a cheap, easy, good triangle that you must balance. Things can either be cheap and easy, but not very good, or easy and good, but not very cheap. What I'm striving for most of the time is cheap and good. I can never... did I just bury my tool? Possibly. I don't think I did. Everything's fine. The noise of the wind is a little annoying, but it's good to have a little bit of a breeze. Yeah, a little bit more for our first layer of our garden. So our garden bed is cardboard, then a layer, 1.5 inches of this really rocky soil that we got, and then I will be throwing fancy pantsy garden soil on top, but I will only do that after we've got some things to transplant, because I don't want to throw our good soil down here before I'm going to be watering it a lot, because I don't want it to blow away in all of this wind. So we got currently 3 tiers of dirt here. This is Walmart dirt. It looks more like mulch, very, very woody. This is Miracle Grow. It's a little bit better. I don't know, that looks kind of woody too. Yeah, it's a little bit more fine. And then we got this Pro Mix. This is so fluffy. I don't think there's any wood chunks in this one. This one's a nice bag of dirt. So we got what we got. We're gonna use what we got and throw it all together. The front dashboard of our RV has turned into a little greenhouse. So we've got some starts, and ooh, that bean might be almost ready to transplant. Oh, looking good. All right, so this is what we got so far outside. We got a bunch of these little wildflowers, pollinator mix that are actually starting to sprout. That's great. They're sprouting over there too. Nothing. And oh yeah, these are more flowers. More flowers over here are sprouting. Well, that's about it for today. We've got a lot of things planted. I don't know how well things are going to grow out here. The sun is very harsh. The wind is very harsh. The water situation, I don't know how we're going to do, but we're going to try and see what works, see what we can figure out, and wish us luck. And tell us in the comments how I'm an idiot and how I did so many things wrong, because I bet I'm doing things wrong. So, anyway, I'm getting out of here. Goodbye.